Hello everyone, so I've got this GHD Helios Hairdryer in for repair. I'm just going to plug it in now. They say it's stopped working, so let me get rid of that. Apologies. So I've plugged it in, switched it on, yeah, and it stopped working. So I'm going to check the fuse in the plug top first. Let's check that. Yeah, that's working, that's working. Let's take the plug out. No, I'll not take the plug out, so I'll just take the fuse out. That'll save me taking the plug out, won't it? Why have I got a 3 amp? I bet that's blown. That's well blown. Why is there a 3 amp fuse in a hairdryer? No wonder it's gone. Let me try 13 amp. I bet this is the quickest fix ever. Yeah, so that fuse is fine. Let's bang that in. Right, that's everything off on there. Oh, there we go. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. So the woman whose it was, yeah, she just hasn't checked the fuse. So what I'm gonna do is end the video there. Bit of a pointless video, but just goes to show, I guess, how something as simple as fusing the plug can just stop it from working, and it's the first thing to always check. Always. I've just put that because I brought it. I took it out. So right, that's working then. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'll get in touch with the woman who's in and just let her know. I can't charge for a fuse, can I? You know, I just can't charge for it. So yeah, so there we go. So dead simple, quick, 3-minute video. It just highlights it, I guess. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll be back.